G'day guys, this is Big T. Today we're doing this Nissan Patrol build and we're doing it in collaboration with Autocraze. Now today what we've done, we've fitted the X-Rocks bull bar to this vehicle. We've got the Steady X Pros up there. We've got the run for winch fitted to the vehicle. Plus, to top it off, we've fitted the rock armor, rock sliders. Now after this, it's going to be sent over to Autocraze to get the suspension lift and the tyres done.